They would have never selected you. But old guys or persons were better. They chose me. These people may not have chosen you. This is called what? Whole life success story is what? You are at right time, at right place. Accident happens when? Car is in right place. Car should be on the road. But two cars want to occupy the same place at the same time. That is called wrong time, correct? That is why accident happens. You meet this person somewhere. One guy told me he went from here to California, met a person and chose that person to be life partner and came back. His going to California was what? At right time and right place to meet a life partner. Therefore, I further make it more subtle. Right thought at right time. If a wrong thought comes at right time, you are over. You have to take decision in the life. If punya is there, you make a right choice. If punya is not there, you make a wrong choice also. People used to invest in the stocks here so much. They made their fortune. But after the lull came, whoever invested in the stock, what happened to them? They become qualified to take sannyasa. That's what happened to them. Because nothing is there to say to बाबा जी होने के लिए योग्यता होगी सब कुछ गया बाबा जी बन जाओ अभी क्या करने का है स्वामी जी all my life saving I put in the stock is gone अभी क्या करेंगे चलो ऋषिकेश में भजन करेंगे और क्या करेंगे. He was very sad. I think when he came to America, he had nothing. Now also you have what? Nothing. Therefore, in between Maya came and chali gayi. आए जाए so Maya साधु. ठीक है. You have to tell them something. One gentleman was very sad. Swamiji, I lost my job. I was fired. What is your age? He said 65. Now it's time to retire, okay? But one gave you retirement program. Now go to India and enjoy your life. He said, that is right. I never thought like that. I said, go read it back. Jahi bidi raake ram, tahi bidi rahi. Come back. Very serious topic. So, a thought in your mind, which is also pushed by this karma, goaded by this karma, you make certain decision. Because you have to suffer or enjoy, those decisions come to your mind. Therefore, this punya and the papa governing my life, I don't want to suffer, nobody wants to suffer. I want to live a happy, comfortable, successful life. Therefore, what shall I do for that? Here, one thing is that you can perform punya karma, which will give you conducive situation. And for you, Hinduism, one thing is that you don't sit and cry looking at a prarabdha and karma. No, you do something. Even my papa karma, whatever is there in my account, I can neutralize them also. Punya karma I produce and gain a conducive situation. Therefore, you perform action. Listen very well. Reach out action. We all perform action, but all the actions are what? Self-centered. Me, my wife and children, my family never come out of their small circle. Here is said that does not produce punya. You come out of this circle. A person is there in the need. You go and help that person, even not leaving your address or card, name card. Just forget about that person. Help and forget about whole thing. That is called suhruda. A person comes from nowhere, helps you and move away also. I help the community. I help the people. In different ways I help. This reaching out action, they are called as Purta Karmani. Therefore I brought for you guys to know what are the Purta Karma which brings Punya to me, in turn bring to me a better Janma, better next life, or in this life also, a better situation I go through. Now look at it, next page on the side, Purta Karma. Did you get it? Read that after me. Vapi Kupatada Gadi.
Vapi Kupatada Gadi.
Vapi Kupatada Gadi.
Vapi Kupatada Gadi.
Devatayatanani cha.
Devatayatanani cha.
Devatayatanani cha.
Devatayatanani cha.
Annapradhanamaramah.
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 Urtamitya vidiyate.
Urtamitya vidiyate.
Now read together, all of us together. I wanted you to remember this one, it will help you. Vapi ku, together. Vapi
Kupatada Gadi. Devatayatanani cha. Annapradhanamaramah. Urtamitya vidiyate.
Look at the English translation there. Constructing tanks or reservoirs, temple building, rest houses, digging wells and watering holes, and feeding the needy, etc. are called Purta Karma. Correct? Purta and Ishta. If you look at the whole tradition of India, this concept was very much available. If you see your father, grandfather, great-grandfather, they will always do in village big matka pot. On the roadside, they will fill it up, thanda pani, kala matka. And whoever passes by that road, both the side, this way or that way, with respect, they are given what? Cool water, pani piyo. Have you seen this thing?
Yes.
It's called parab in Gujarati, we call it parab. Free water distribution. India is a place where pilgrimage goes all over. Nowadays, Sai Baba, from Ahmedabad people walk up to Shirdi, from Baroda they walk up to Shirdi, from Surat they walk up to Shirdi, from Surat they walk up to Ambaji, Mataji Mandir, just on Pedal Jayega. And not 1 or 2%, thousands of them. So those people who are going, how much carry the food carry, they can carry the food. How much water they can carry? There are special places people open to feed these yatris. The pilgrimage, free food and free water and place to live also. You are going to temple to Bhagwan walking, you are earning punya. Whoever serves you on the way will get what? Punya. Second thing, in our life, after the air which we breathe in and out, we should be clean also. Next thing is called as, most important is water. You should be aware of it. In 20 to 30 years to go down, world over, big scarcity will be for what? Water. People will fight for water. We have polluted so much water. We have destroyed the source of water so much. There is a big problem for pure water. this water we need, in Sanskrit the water is called Jeevanam. It quenches my thirst, revives the body. The funny thing to hear, once my Swami, my very close person, he used to get headache every day. And here there is a doctor. He said, Swami, only cause for your headache is lack of water. You hardly drink water. Am I right? If you drink less water, also what? Headache can happen. I know a lot of people, my father was one of them. If you say, ask him to drink water, he will never drink water. They do not like to drink water somehow. And I am the person who all the time wanted only water. I want water. Water is so good for the health, your well-being. Second thing, take shower with the water. All our food comes from where? Water in the plants. Even your laundry is done by water only. Everything by water. Therefore, to provide free water to all forms of life. Don't think only human beings require water. Animals also need water. Look at our parents and great parents. In the village there will be always a place. They put a big pond where all the cattle going for grazing or evening when they are returning, they will always drink water. What do you call them in Hindi? हम लोग झील कहते हैं. Always. Sometimes they take shower also. Buffalo cannot come without shower. That is a problem. Vadarwani ભેંસ તરે વધારે ચરે ઓછું. આ રીતે. Something in Gujarati, one of Gujarati people. So, Vapi, Kupa, Talagadi. Three are different. Kupa is well. I found in some of the places, the wells are very shallow because rivers are flowing. Some area there are no rivers like Rajasthan. I don't know, in Rajasthan I believe rivers might be small rivers, there are no big river there. Big problem. And the wells can go as deep as 200 feet, 300 feet. For them to get water, they will go down. And poor community, poor people cannot even bear this expense of boring the well. I knew one lady in Fort Wayne. She was Rajasthani. She used to get all the satsang, meet them and talk to them. She will collect money from here, and every village she went and drilled a hole and made water available to them. Big job she did. Really I appreciate. I also helped her something. Very good job. So if water is down, tap it. If water is shallow, make a well. And well is one thing you have to find first. There are underground springs are there, rivers are there. You know this thing? Rivers flowing above the surface, under the surface also there. Now the satellite picture very shows clearly where water is, and they put there only constantly new water comes every day, and whole village can drink that water. That was Kupa. Tadagam is bigger